with kids and everything. We used to go in there, Chinese restaurant, on the front street. Sitting there, eat that loud smokes. And I had my dog on.
Oh, hello, y'all.
Oh,
I was talking to my husband was talking to me. We were doing a little chit-chatting. But anywho, y'all already said my grace. I got some Chinese liver rice and gravy with smothered and onions.
yes.
Right here.
The boy's good.
I said my grace, honey. I ain't ate all day.
Been on the road all day.
Been on the road all day. Just got back in the house. Got my lemonade too. Got that good old Chinese lemonade. Yes.
The last thing is some liver rice and gravy with smothered onion.
And I put hot sauce in. My husband inspired me to use some hot sauce. And I said, well, why not?
With that southern flavor.
And it's really, really good, y'all. It's so good. And when I say good, I mean good. They gave me some red pepper. But I'm going to tell you how this stuff here is spicy. Look at that. That's some red, hot, spicy stuff there, y'all. I told him, I took a little taste of this with my finger. I say, give me the hot sauce, dear. Give me the hot sauce. Because this is too hot. So hot, honey, might give me a nosebleed. And I won't need no more of those. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let me get back into this liver rice and gravy and onions. Hope you all having an awesome day out there today. Hope you're staying safe and eating well. Hello. And you said when you was a little boy, what?
We used to go over there to the Chinese restaurant,
Mm.
smoke out a little weed,
Oh.
and go in and eat that doggone liver rice and gravy. Eat that has some doggone live smoke.
Mm-hmm. This is
Good,
good.
man. 40-some years ago. It's still kicking.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he been there a long time. All the time he been working by himself. The whole time you never seen a family in there?
He used to have family.
Oh, really?
That little man can cook more food by himself than the whole army did.
Very good.
More Testament crazy. Still
This
on
is
here.
delicious. This is too good. This is one of those too good meals, y'all. Too
Just back
good.
in the hood. Everybody should go back in the hood. You know that restaurant you eat at. Everybody got one. Just sit down and eat your food. Bring back a lot of memories.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I mean, one last you had some liver rice and gravy smothered in onion.
Mm-hmm.
It's good, man.
Yes, indeed. The flavor. There's something about that flavor. The flavor just bursting all through and through. I ain't just saying to be saying it, y'all. This is so good.
I don't care if it's a soul food restaurant.
Ain't no way in the world I can make this up.
A soul food restaurant. Or somewhere in the hood that you like going to. You was a kid. Go on in. Get your favorite food.
Mm. 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 Jesus, take the wheel. Take the wheel. Take the whole wheel. Shoot, we might get a smoke tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
And he pretty reasonable too.
Up north they call it sausage rice and gravy. We call it smoke down here.
I'm fried already. I done had fish, yesterday? That was delicious.
You good, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Thank God for all the blessings, honey. Thank Him for all the blessings. Believe you me.
How many people come to America and cook better than us? Fine. But the thing up north, Chinese man, that lady made butter egg on potato salad than they had down here.
Oh yeah, it was
And they got a
delicious.
pizza place around the corner up here. Same shopping center. Chinese people selling pizza.
I never tried their pizza.
I'm telling you, man, obviously it's good. $3 about that dollar.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I put it right in the black neighborhood.
They're being smart because they're cooking all different dishes from different cultures. Soul food, Italian food, pizza Italian. I mean, they're doing it up.
We eat their food. And we cook, spend all the money in, restaurants and Chinese restaurants. As soon as a black person over a restaurant, I ain't going there. Listen, all of that.
Yeah, there we are.
We'll support each other.
Take a bite. Delicious. Good to build up your iron. If you lost a lot of blood, or you're a person that loses a lot of blood or whatever, one way or another, liver. Help build your iron up. And believe me, in life, honey, you gotta go through the bad to get to the good. Sometimes you gotta go through a struggle, baby. I've been through some struggles, honey. I can tell you about some struggles. Me and my hubby can tell y'all about some struggles. We're in our latter years now. But honey, in our younger years,
Damn, she make this come.
my God, you wouldn't believe, honey. You wouldn't believe the things we went through.
Go through life lessons. Go through the tough.
With and without our
Get to the
children.
good. When you go through the tough to the good, you enjoy your victory better.
Amen.
If everything's going right, everything's going good, you appreciate it more. Go to something to get something.
You appreciate stuff more once you go through a struggle. You really appreciate things more, believe me. You appreciate life more. You appreciate different things, more too. Oh, yeah.
And the main thing, don't forget to pray.
That's right.
Or when you pray, all the stuff's in your way moves out the way. You put it in God's hand.
Amen, honey.
Man can do nothing but show you
So I
the
cut
wrong
it
way to
off.
go. God got you, baby.
I gotta cut this one, y'all. I've got to cut it. I need to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Victory.
Cut it. 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 I need to cut it. Oh, y'all said that child crazy. I can be at times. I can be. Oh, yeah. But can't we all? We all got a little crazy in us. And y'all know I ain't lying. I ain't lying. I'm a lying baby.
No, you're not.
I ain't lying. I told you I ain't lying. Hey, be serious all the time. Not all your life. Babe, I'm gonna need some more of that hot sauce.
I told you.
Goodness.
That's old, baby.
So about that hot sauce, baby.
I
I got it.
was thinking you do it.
I have short arms, baby.
I wasn't get to it because you look kind of.
I got it, baby. Oh, I got it. Got that hot sauce. Y'all got that, it's not Texas Pizza Food Line brand. It's not too hot. It's just right. Just right. And it is Thursday evening, 4:53 p.m. 4:53 p.m. My first meal of the day.
I thought late in there.
I put that hot sauce, y'all. Gotta put that hot sauce, y'all. Gotta put that. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop me. It really brings out the flavor, baby.
That's right.
It brings out the flavor. Fluff flavor. It brings out the fluff flavor. Excuse me. Excuse me again. I'm not gonna put the soy sauce in here because, honey, I ain't for that blood pressure shooting up right now. I ain't for it to shoot up at all. Because I can help it. Because high blood pressure ain't no darn joke. Believe that. The silent killer. The silent killer. You play around with it if you want to. I ain't gonna play around with it. And I don't want to. I might be in the mood for me a good movie tonight. Some good movies or something.
Trish ain't forgot. People kill.
I should hope not. I know her memory is bad, but I don't think her memory is that bad. Because she been on social media communicating with Kiki, telling her happy birthday and all this. And my second born birthday is today, my second born. Go check out her videos on YouTube. Chiffon Collier. SHAFONE Chiffon Collier. That's my second born. She's a singer. Oh, she can sing. She do hair. Multi-talented girl. She wrote a movie. Pain and Music. That's the name of the movie. You can look that up. You'll find that on YouTube too, I believe. Pain and Music. Look her up on Instagram. I am Chiffon Collier Music. I am Chiffon Music. One or the other.
What they call me?
I am Chiffon Collier Music, or I am Chiffon Music. SHAFONE. Chiffon. COLLIER. Collier. Kaya, and Kaya.
What call it? I call him Boogie.
I'm called Dainty.
No, they working. I'm going.
I guess you better finish eating. You're not going to talk to pieces.
No, anywhere I go, they don't do that. Yeah, she working anyway. Chicken dog.
Y'all like liver? Everybody don't like liver. I love me some liver. Yeah, have some.
Hey. Huh?
Got that lemonade, y'all. Got that lemonade.
Yes.
You got Boogie with you? You got Boogie with you?
What you going that? Come on, boy.
Huh?
Hey, yeah, y'all, you team up. Yeah.
Is she with you?
Yeah.
Okay, I just checking.